say something before I say this. Just give me some minutes. My name, Afambo, and I'm online. Let it go viral. Afambo, Venerable Gifts, Esele, Robert. Afam, Abogomafa, Benam, Esele. Abromonyi Igbo, Abumonyi Edo State. Tomorrow, as a church, after doing repentance, we're going to take some decisions concerning the Igbo nation on this altar. Hear me. Abronwa Igbo. Mana abugonwa Igbo. Pay attention. Okay, for cancer Igbo. Oyena Igbo, onwa Igbo ko yabo. Oyena si udi Igbo, onwa Igbo ko bura onwa Igbo. Pay attention. Hear me. Let me show you something. Don't miss tomorrow. The time for the Igbos have come. Ndigbo abego. Listen. One of the greatest mistakes Madu Warikeme is not to be sensitive at the appointed time, or to be sleeping when God has remembered him. You know, when God has remembered you, or when God is saying it is your set time of remembrance, or is your set time for visitation. I will tell you about that covenant. Have you asked yourself? Have you asked yourself? Have you ever asked yourself? Gini bakara mbanura ya Biafra na ini na nwuro. Have you asked yourself? Ijugo awoga jawa. Na mbanura ya Biafra gini mere, even though the word nyere ndi enyere aka ka ha gbuo ndi Biafra, gini mere hanyi na nwuro. Have you asked yourself? Have you asked yourself how we are the Biafran soldiers able to manufacture local weapons to fight? Have you asked yourself that question? It should go get the capacity and one weapon, but how are they manufacturing weapons? Have you asked yourself that question? The other I brought my problem and we actually go see you. And all pay attention. Anambra, Imo, Abia, Enugu, Ebonyi, Ineba. Look up. Oram state Kafamana, Nigeria. As in Oafa state, Oafa the state. Which state? Ununokweba. Oram state Kafamana, Nigeria. Can you know or Kanu? Unusno Kanu or Kaduna or Ibadan. Here go. Listen, look up. There. Na Abuja di God the ta bundione. Na Kanu di God bundione. Na Lagos di God Ndigbo kusi importation. That sea a close road. Na Lagos they call the bundione. Pay attention. Ije Lagos full 50-story building, all the 10 Ndigbo were 8. Ina anu yam neku. Ije Kano full nenu on Ndigbo wu nenu awa. Ina anu ife neku. Nenu maya wila ya nenu. Mado nesigona na state ozo biaruo nenu na Ndigbo. Ba fo nyawa. Keda fo nyawa. One ma fo nyawa. Watch this. Listen. Anochara Yaseb Anibo. So sebe Chineke bebri na bomba ba metu go ibone metro like cathedral na. Now anochara nile buchende bu. Pay attention. Bua unogo maybe unogo maybe everywhere. Can you look back into our state? Anya dikandi anusuraga. Anya dikeba nuraga. Kedindi na aya na street ay. Kedindi na you on a street time. I can't hear you. Ndone. Then Maya. Do you know what has helped the Igbo man? Do you know what has helped the Igbo man? Covenant. Now, Jom sim onye bo onye Igbo. Jom ya. Ndigbo bu ndi Israel.